Welcome back to another trading session. So here we're just going to be going through some trades, see if we can profit big time or not. See, we just profited around $2,000 just right there. So let's go ahead and profit again more and more. So for this trade right here, what I did was I saw this cross the moving average right here. So I decided to try to leverage the momentum to go up further, and it worked out perfectly as always. So let's try to find another cryptocurrency here to trade, and let's go to Dogecoin potentially and see if we can ride the momentum down potentially. Let's see. Here we go. Another $1,000 right there. That's another win. Okay, let's try to find another trade right here, and Ethereum potentially. Let's analyze this. I don't think it's ripe yet, but when it crosses the moving average above right here, it would be a perfect buy opportunity to take advantage of. But right now, it's not ripe yet. We're going to revisit that later potentially. So let's go to Polyon, and on Polyon, it seems to be oscillating quite a bit. Right here, potentially we could leverage this going up. So let's. I don't think it is a little bit iffy right now. Potentially, if it crosses the moving average, then I would consider it, but it's nowhere right now. It's really a 50-50 odds. So right here, we have to try to find another cryptocurrency. Unless this is crossing the moving average, then potentially we could invest in this, and this would be a perfect buy opportunity. Okay, so let's leverage this opportunity to buy right here, and let's see if we can profit. Okay, so that was a loss, but it's okay to have some losses. Don't let emotions affect your trading. There will be losses and there will be wins, okay? So right now we're still in the green, which is great to see, okay? So let's try to find another potential trade that we can take advantage of, or potentially we could still try to leverage this to see if this will potentially go up even further. And just a little bit iffy now, but it did cross, or almost about to cross, the moving average right here. So we'll see if it did oscillate in this range, right? So it oscillated outside of the range, which is always a good sign to see that it's breaking through. As we can see, if it goes up further, it would be a perfect buy opportunity. Okay, let's buy. See if it will go through. Perfect. See, we won our money back and more. So let's go to another trade. Let's go to Litecoin and see what's going on there. It's across the moving average. It already ran through quite a bit. I don't know if it's a perfect opportunity here. It might go down with the resistance here. So I'm actually going to short. Okay. Boom. Another big profit right here for you guys. So let's go to another one right here. Let's go to potentially Solana and check what's happening here. And we don't see any big actions happening around here, but let's go to another one, maybe Dash. Okay, not a lot of oscillations happening here. Potentially it'll break through and go down below, but we'll have to see the moving average cross down below first. So nothing big happening here yet. So I don't think I'll take any risks for this one. There seems to be a resistance level, so I would potentially be shorting. Let's see if it'll go through. It's a minute short, so let's see. Coming to a minute here, and we might win or we might lose this one. We won it, so that was a great win again. So as you can see, we're profiting big time here again and again. So as you can see, Bucket Option is a great platform to be trading on. I highly recommend it. And let's try to go to another one right here. Let's try Tron. Okay. No big price movements on Tron that would make sense to take advantage of. But let's go to Litecoin, potentially see. I would potentially short if it passes through here. Right now, though, it's not the best opportunity. Go back to Polkadot, and seems to be going down. I might ride the momentum with a short 5-second. Oops. Or potentially buy. Okay, so that was a lucky one because that was a little bit of a mistake. But as we can see, we profited big time yet again. And let's go to Chainlink and see if we can profit there as well. So here, we might potentially buy it if it goes below this general oscillation level right here. It's not going anywhere right now, so we're just going to come back to this later. Let's go to Ethereum, and let's see. I think we could potentially buy to take advantage of this momentum. And another big profit yet again. As we can see, we keep profiting, even that one mistake, fellas. Okay, so we even profited there. So as you can see, profit here again, and again. Okay, so we're in the green here. So we're just going to be playing with the house money, really, to see if we can profit even more today. Let's try out. BNB potentially again and see what's going on here. Potentially, I would short if it were to pass this level of the moving average. Right now, though, I don't think it'll pass this resistance. I highly doubt it. So once it starts going down from here, I'll be selling. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. So we're going to see if it goes up or down. And we're going to sell to take advantage of the momentum and see if we profit or not. Okay, that was a big profit yet again. Okay, as we can see, let's try to go to another trade and see if we can profit big time. So let's go to Dogecoin, see if there's any movements happening here. Nothing big, nothing really big at all. Might take advantage of just buying once the momentum goes back up, but that's not for a little while. So let's go to Avalanche and see what's happening here. Here seems to be going down, actually, down quite a bit. So past all these resistances. So I might just take advantage of this and just sell, take advantage of this this momentum here. So again, here, okay, decent profit again. And let's go back to Polkadot and see if there's any movements happening here. Nothing really big. Back to Dogecoin. Litecoin, not really any big movements to pay attention to. Litecoin, potentially. Nothing really big. Avalanche. And here, nothing too big. It did cross the moving average, which is somewhat significant. Might take advantage of shorting this. And let's see the shorts. Okay, there we go. Another big profit. So this will just wrap up the day here. Made some tremendous profits as usual, and we're going to catch up with this next week. Have a great day and happy trading.